world around us spins so fast, but we're not bound by what's been cast. Embrace the change, don't hold on tight. There's a future waiting, shining bright. Embrace the change, don't fear the new. The strength to rise is here in you. Let go of yesterday's old ways. The future is bright with endless days. Embrace the change, let go, be free. It's time to shape your destiny. In every moment, there's a choice to make, to hold the past or risk the break. But in the risk we find our wings and soar above the lesser things. Embrace the change, don't fear the new. The strength to rise is here in you. Let go of yesterday's old ways. The future is bright with endless days. Embrace the change, let go, be free. It's time to shape your destiny. In the unknown, there's magic to find, a world of wonder, of peace of mind. So take the leap, the time is now. You'll make it through, you'll show them how. Embrace the change, don't fear the new. The strength to rise is here in you. Let go of yesterday's old ways. The future is bright with endless days. Embrace the change, let go, be free. It's time to shape your destiny. Embrace the change, let go, be free. It's time to shape your destiny. Destiny.
All right, welcome everyone. Happy Saturday evening. Supposed to be this one. Happy Saturday evening and Sunday morning. Today I will be doing two streams, one an unusual time, and this one. Unfortunately, I did not have internet almost all night, so it was quite late. So I left it, and now we have internet. We are back on. That being said, welcome as usual. This is Evan, behalf of No Limit Emails team. I thank you for watching live or a replay. If you are new, please give us thumb up. And well as if you are new and you just landed on our channel in here, please do reply. If you have any inquiries, reach out to us. And that being said, congratulations to all of you who joined us over past 24 hours. We do appreciate you guys. We do not take your trust for granted. Please provide us the domain you want to use. Add your domain to the Cloudflare. Send us your Cloudflare login details. And also verify your email you registered with Cloudflare. And switch off your two-way authentication in Cloudflare in this period so we can install the system and let you have your login page. That being said, in this period, please keep in touch with us. Check the email that we sent to you. Sometime we also can land on spam on a first email. It's quite normal, guys. And just whitelist that email. We do not send promotional emails to you. We just send you your account-related emails. That's all to it. But if you do receive some commercial emails, somebody pretending to be us, please report back to us so we can have a look and take care of it. And that being said, welcome to the No Limit Emails family. I personally look forward to working with you and help you to do your email. And that being said, congratulations to all of you who got your account last 24 hours. I have spoken to a couple of you, and also I missed speaking to a couple of you as I did not have internet, but we are able to reach out via text and LinkedIn and whatnot. So I have not missed you, but I did miss you on screen. I do apologize. It is in my end, so it's just network that I didn't have internet at home. As we are going through some storms, I hope it will stay on for today's stream. So that being said, welcome on board everyone. And this evening I also lined up this continuation of three videos we did. So this evening I will be sharing with you fastest way that you can build multiple email lists, fastest way that you can build multiple niche email lists, and fast way to automate multiple niche email lists that you collect or you have or you upload. And hopefully you will enjoy the stream, and hopefully you can do a lot more better than what I am doing with those automations and everything else, because system is there for us to scale and for us to do this kind of things. That being said, let's get rid of the banner here, and I'm just going to bring a system up so we crack in straight away. So first, multiple email lists and niches. So let's bring our system up. So this is what you will also get. This is the exact same UI you will get, and on this navigation in here, only thing that we gotta do for now to create lists. Let's go ahead and do that. So segments where you start, segments the list creation part that basically you segmenting. As you can see in here, I have quite a few of them, and the way that we create them in multiple emails, multiple lists, something like this. So we go new, just going back 1 second, so you can see like I numbered mine like this, but you don't have to kind of label it yours like that. Yours could be for different products, different industries, different categories, this lists that you create. So for me, to just make it easier for me, as I'm doing cold outreach, nothing targeted, so I'm just putting a simple so I know what email I have sent. So let's create multiple lists, guys, first. So multiple is going to start just like once more. If you look, my lists in here is not one. It's literally all of this are lists, and this keep goes on and on and on. And 460, 490. I am 10 lists way to have a 500 list, and we will make a few now. So new, and I'm just going to select this one. Mine today is going to be 256. 256. This is just one of them. I'm not going to do the filters, anything else. I'm just going to save and close. That's it, our list is made. So let's make another one. So this one is going to be 257, 257, and we hit save. So we have this one and this one. We have no contacts in them. So let's make another one. So 258, 258, 258, and save and close. So now we have this three list made. So obviously, if you're capturing leads, you need to make a landing page and you need to make in a capture form. So for that, you can check the one that we did automation, which is 2 videos ago. So you can check that how we set up automation and campaign. And what is simple, guys? All you have to do is go to component, create form, and go. And that is, you also have landing page. You create landing page. You create landing page and your form. You add your form as usual to your landing page. So for you to collect basically emails that way. But if you have the leads, which is I do, and we will just going to upload to this list we just created. And the way that we do that in here, and we just go back on contacts. Just one thing that you got to remember in here, like your segments, the list that you create where you want to upload, just remember the name. So we will start 256, 257, 258. So let's go ahead and import some contacts in here. So we are on contact. On contacts in here, you have quite a few options. You can go just new and add kind of manually, but we're going to import bulk. So next to the new is little drop down arrow, and you click on that. It pops up this pop-up window. You can import export CVs and check out your history, and this is where we got to use import function, and now represents us with this. And here you don't have to change anything, everything preset. This 100 is the limit of processing emails at one time, so you don't need to change that. This is your delimiters of the CSV and of course your characters, and all we have to do is choose a file. Now we gotta choose, and I'm just going to, as you can see, I have lots of CSV files in here. I'm just going to find one that I made earlier. I have a leads in here, guys. I'm just going to get us some leads, and this one's quite large. I'm going to make them a little bit small so we can not waste too much time here. So I'm just going to, let's get this one is be something like so. Let's get this one. This is about 15K on a first, and we just upload. Just remember your segments in here. You select your name and you find that segment you want, A256 for me. So you just put like that, it will find. And then in here you have basically a field that you gotta match, which is, in my case, is just email on this file. We just select email to match, and then we're just going to hit import in the background. On the last import, I will show you import in the browsers too. Just give a minute, we will see what happens with this. So this is uploading to that list, and normally you can also see in my dash. So uploading 30K, 15K, 20K, 50K, 60K, 100K is not really a problem, as you can see in here. So we keep uploading lots of leads. So 60K around 8 to 9 minutes you can upload and verify. As you can see in here, pretty regular. Another 60K you can see is 8 minutes, 9 minutes. You can upload and verify and ready to send, and that list is basically ready. So you can see timing in here when I'm doing it, import in the background, and then you can see some timing when I am doing it on browser. It takes a lot longer because literally my browser is occupied with so many things and takes the time to process it. And that's why I always recommend, if you importing anything more than 5,000, make sure that you always use import in the background. Just give a second and we will refresh this, and we will see where we're at. So this is still queued up and getting kind of analyzed, and we will be that will be uploaded. Just give it time, guys. System going to basically analyzing and verifying, and then when kind of find everything it is, and it will start processing and uploading for us to utilize this to send an email to. So just be patient in the stage when you're uploading, guys, and also when you're uploading, make sure that you don't shut your kind of browser off, or that tab off, or the system tab off, so your system read the file and eventually will process it, and eventually you will see this file being uploaded. Just take your time a little bit, guys. So when that's doing this, so you can see I just basically created those lists. I'm just uploading these leads, and it does take a little bit of time, guys, as I'm right now live. My network is a bit slow, but rest be assured, really failure is almost none, like zero, unless you stop it, unless you kind of cancel it and whatnot. And then let's just keep refreshing and see what the situation is. As you can see now, its progress is happening, and almost there, guys. Just give a bit of time. So when first time when you upload and you see, oh, there's nothing happening here, just be patient, guys. It's got to scan it, got to basically separate stuff, and analyzes first and then takes action and basically upload what's good and reject what's bad. And good for us to go and send our emails to this lists. Just be patient in this period. Alright, let's just refresh again, see where we're at. So it's going about minute, 94% completed. As you can see, I have probably uploaded this before, guys, but really just updates everything and inserts the ones that probably need to be inserting and updates rest of them, adds it to that list and makes it ready for us to send email to. So that's one. So this is happening, and this will not really take that long, guys. A couple of minutes for 15k, which is not really bad to upload, verify, and ready to send email, guys. A few minutes each one, and we will go back and upload the others as soon as this one's done. And I have a question on that before I wanted to answer it last night's stream. The question is really, can we upload multiple times? Yes, you can, guys, but the best thing to do is literally upload one list at a time, because some lists that you upload maybe have 200,000-300,000, so you don't want to keep uploading and clogging basically your system, too many uploads at the same time. So just throw in one list at a time, you should be good too. But you can actually do a couple of 2 or 3 separate uploads within the same active UI. So you can go and open another tab and go to segment or go to contacts and upload it to the other one. So let's also have a look at this, just to give a second to finish this. So let's just refresh. So as you can see, it took us a minute and a half and we uploaded that. So if it's just going to take a minute, it's best to just do it one at a time, guys, so to not create any errors in your systems or clog your servers up with too many throwing in at one go. Obviously, if it's just all in one CSV file, is no problem. You can have 1,000,000 in one CSV file, guys. But generally, just uploading multiple lists at the same time, is that is normally not many system does allow you to do that, but in here we can. So let's go back on contacts again, and we're going to this time open a new tab. And on the new tab, obviously we have a contacts, and here we are kind of on the import page. So let's go back on here. So let's go new once more, let's go import, let's choose a file once more, and this time we're going to choose a little bit different file. Let's see in here. So this was 15k, remember we just uploaded, so we're going to try get a little bit more. So let's get this one, and this one is going to be around 60k. Let's see that one here. So this is about 60k. Once more we choose file here, and then our limit is everything set up, we just hit upload. And once more you choose your name, to day 257 I think, and emails. This field must be filled, otherwise you're not going to be able to match anything in your CSV where it says match the columns to import. So if you have more data in here, company name, first name, last name, and all that kind of stuff, phone number and anything else, you just select and match and you hit import. So we're going to hit this one, import. So while this is doing that, we're going to go once more, we're going to go contact and open another tab so I can show you that you can do 2 at a time. So we're back on contact, and once more I'm going to go import, and you can see now I have 2 tabs is importing, and I can also choose file in here, and let's make this file a little bit smaller so it can take us a little bit less time. So let's do this one about 3K or something like that. So we're just going to hit upload. Once more, we select our name. Once more, day 257, I think. By the way, if you mixed it, maybe it's 258, alright? So let's say day 258. So we're gonna select this one instead, and then obviously same goes here. We're just going to find an email. We gotta match our field to that email, and we hit background. So we have, actually, you can see this one is already going 13%, and now we have the smaller one is just uploading as well. So we just created this three lists. We have around 70K, which is we will be sending email to just a moment. So this is basically how quick you can create multiple niche lists and start setting basically automation, sending up just direct emailing, broadcasting to them. Is totally up to you what you want to do in here, guys. So you give yourself a little bit of time, and everything you're doing in here is, when it's uploaded, is ready for you to use and utilize basically your stuff. So if we refresh this, obviously we have this one is already going, taking some queuing, and we have this one is queued up. As you can see, says queued. So when it's finished on this end, it will start on that one. So let this thing do its thing, and we will get back to that one just a second. So first thing first, we want to also create an email, and let's go and create a brand new email. So I'm not going to clone this email, I'm going to just make one fresh, and so you guys also can see what I use to create a simple emails. So we have that emails. Alright, so also you can see my previous emails, send numbers, and the clicks I'm getting, and everything's active on my dashboard. And by the way, this email is a not send date to email, is a test email. Let me just email 2, we just switch that one off so we don't get confused here. So for me, it's going to be a day 52 email. As you can see in here, I'm on day 51, but we will add those segments that we create just to day 52 email. So the way that we create that, you just simply hit new once more. Everything starts with new button, right? And then in here we have two choices. We are not going to automate, we're just going to send email. We select segment email, and to write my emails, guys, I have created an extra extension in here in AI PRM. And the way you find it, you just put email in here and search, and when you do that, you should find the one that I created. So I have it. Let me see if it's not in the here. So you can see Qual of GPTs in here relating to email writing, and this one here I created, and I'm gonna select that. So it's selected here, as you can see. I'm just going to give it write me short cold outreach email to introduce no limit emails. That's basically it. I don't need to go. And this GPT, there is list of spam words being removed, and we will also check to see if it's give us too many spam words. So to do that, I'm just going to copy all. This is our content of our email. I'm just going to get it from here, and we're going to go spam we're going to go to this mail media spam checker here and then paste it in here for our content, see if there's any spam. So name, action, and get. So it's not really bad, but quality is poor. And Spark new, Spark attending, and Spark message care attention, and Spark new. Can we say not? Can we not say new? Fresh contact, something like this. Helping you connect with the audience, blah blah, and that's it. And easy to get overlooked, easy to overlook, easy basically. Names obviously, so we don't have. So if I take name of our content is pretty great anyway, guys. It's just very small amount. Even our subject line is pretty clean. So we're going to get this one. Let's get subject line starts from here, guys. Email start from here. Your team is here. So this is beginning of your email. Internally, this will be day 252, something like that for me. Day 252, email 252, segments. So day 257, I think we had this, and also day 258, and day 256. So this is the three lists we are uploading, and this is the three lists here that we just created. So let's refresh to see what the situation is. So we have this one almost ready. So this is taking us a few minutes, as you can see, and this one will kick in as well afterwards, guys. So we have added this three list. Even this is currently processing, but on the email I was still able to kind of build our email. So one thing that you want to do before this, just pasting like I did, what I want to do is I want to just basically copy all of this and get a notepad. So the reason that I'm using a notepad here, and I want to reformat this and text strip everything else the site gives me. So now I can use this to my email because I didn't have it saved. I'm just showing you where we put it things. So this is our email now. I know that's not going to be tracked by that website. So at this stage, we're just going to hit save here, and then we build the email. And then now we hit the builder, and builders, this is what we get, kind of a Z-Wig. I'm just dragging that out of it so it doesn't break my so it doesn't break really my content when I'm pasting in here. So we just paste that where it says this. Of course you can change this, you can delete this, you can start brand new. Hi first name, I'm not going to leave that in there. I'm just going to say hello from No Limit Emails, basically something like that. As I don't have the name anything else, I'm just going to reposition this a little bit so it looks okay, and that's it. So far so good. So next thing I want to do, I just want to create a headline and add a headline, and then obviously bring my signature in here so we can send this email. So this is our email here. We have no links in it, and let's go back on here, let's go back on channel, let's go back on open a new tab on email here, So from previous emails, let's just go to this one here, and let's just get this content here. So we have this content on this one. I think it just goes to the live demo. So 1 second, we go back. Let's see, let's take this one. Let's see if I have the signature and everything on this one. Alright, on this one we have full on signature. This is what I really need to get, guys. So I'm just going to copy this part here, and we're going to go edit email. So we're gonna bring a couple sections, and we're gonna make this simple as possible, guys. And I'm just going to add my picture in here, and let's just add that, something like this. And we're going to add this text that what he copied with all the links, and then I can add another section underneath here, and just one more. And this one's going to be empty. This one's going to be image. I could add, and this one's going to be this. This one's going to be this signature part here. Alright, so we're going to just collect this, not to unsubscribe, because I will have that. So we just copy that, and we go back once more in our email here. Oh, where did we go? This one here. That's not email. Let's go back. So this is the email we are pending. So let's hit edit. I don't know, I don't think I saved that content, guys, but you get the idea. So let's do it again. So from here we drag that off, and did I have it in here or no? Alright, anyway, let's just do it again. Let's bring first few sections in, guys. So you know, I didn't save it, that's why. As soon as you get out of it, not save it, unfortunately this stage doesn't save that work, but saved our the subject line and everything else. Well, no worries, we have everything here. So let's just copy this, let's paste that in. So idea is, when you're doing this kind of work, you add something you can save. I'm just gonna delete that. I'm just going to delete that hello first name, hi. Instead of hi, so let's say hello from No Limit Emails team, something like this. And where is it? Okay, let's get this bit here, and we're going to add that here, right bottom. And I'm just going to discolor this little touch and make it a little bit dimmer. On the color sense of things, let's just select that. So it will look like that, because this is just like FTC guidelines do. So we got our image, and let's just add that. Let's just shrink this smaller, and let's also go here and get our links. I'm just gonna add this, and they will be here underneath. And I want to separate these two together, and I'm just going to add section between them. and in this section I'm just going to add an image, and this image could be anything you want to add, guys. And I'm just going to add this funny looking GIF to be interested. So that's it. And then we just need a headline, right, where it says hello world, and I just want to change that. We're going to take this off here, and for the hello world we can always go back on the email and look something. I want to relate it to this email. I'm just going to ready to explore no limit emails. Just this question, which is bottom of the email, we can give them as a headline. So if you don't want this big headline in here, guys, it's up to you. Like, you can get rid of it. And then also I'm adding extract section in empty, and you can also add an image there, and which is we will do. And this one, let's just add this. So that's basically something like this. We have this email, it's cold email, lot going on. I could shorten it up, I could just make simple and send him this part in here alone, but we give him more information. And as it is called outreach, there is no direct sales pitching going on in here, but anyhow, so idea is to just get it up there. So we have now just X and save and close, and email's ready. We will be sending this just a sec, and let's have a look our imports, see what situation in here. As you can see, they all getting done, they all done. So we are ready to send this email we just made. So let's hit the send. Of course, you can go and look at your email content. If you're not happy, you can edit it. But as you can see, so beginning of the stream we didn't have a list. Now we have 70k with 3 lists, and we can send emails. But this could be totally different niche, different categories, and different ways that we can reach out to these people internally. So right now we're just going to hit send, and this email is going out to the 70,000 people we just uploaded, guys. So this is how quick you can have a email list, not just one, multiple, and you can have run multiple niches, multiple basically campaigns, multiple automations, and as well as literally have many lists that you hard content. And currently I'm reaching out towards 500 different lists that I have in this system. System is running from just single domain and single IP, single inbox, and I don't have thousands of inboxes. And that's basically what you just saw. Everything you saw in here is brand new, and basically beginning the stream they didn't exist. Within the stream we made it happen and it created. Now we're actually communicating with them in real world, and that's how easily you can scale up and do many different niches, different lists for different niches, and so on and so forth. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. This will take around half an hour to process. Send this out around 20 minutes to half an hour, 70k. That's been said, 80k, 90k an hour sending email, and no limit emails is quite normal, guys. Even 100k an hour sending, even 500k hour sending is pretty normal. And just be patient with it. When your leads are too big, let's say a million, obviously not going to take 10 seconds. It's going to take time, and million in our systems normally take 6 to 7 hours to process, guys, which is a lot of data and is a lot faster than anyone else in the industry. You go ahead and try test any other systems out there and send million emails through it. See how long it takes them to just process and send you emails. It will be days, not hours. And we've been there, we've done this. That's why we keep tuning the system, and makes us basically a little bit faster than anyone else, and more solid than anyone else. As you can see, I was trusting the system. I just uploaded the leads. The system take care of all the weird and invalid leads and allow me to send this email. Once more, I do apologize. I did not make it last night 10 o'clock stream, but guys, I did not internet, so this is last night's 10 o'clock stream. And tonight's 10 o'clock stream, we will be doing it as obviously power permit and internet permit. And we are currently going through some storms. We had no internet for a while, but we are back on, guys. As I said to you before, long as I have internet and all, guys, I will do this to do this lives. But unfortunately, sometimes it's just out of my hand. And that being said, I hope you enjoy this one, and I hope you watch the rest of them on this channel, well as the other channels that we have, just No Limit Email's main channel, well as if you are on Facebook, just No Limit Email. Facebook search, you will find some of our content there too, and as well as our groups. Once more, happy Sunday, happy sending, guys. Keep pressing that send button, and I will see you this evening, 10 o'clock, with a new stream. Take care, happy sending, everyone.